How 6G will shape our tomorrow beyond speed and connectivity. Hello everyone, and welcome back to CosmoTech Chronicles. Today, we are diving deep into the world of technology to explore something truly groundbreaking, 6G technology. As we know, the world of tech never stops evolving, and 6G is set to revolutionize the way we connect, communicate, and interact with our devices. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about 6G technology. So, without further ado, let's get started. First things first, let's start with the basics. What exactly is 6G technology? 6G, or sixth generation, is the successor to 5G technology. It's the next evolution in wireless communication and promises to be even faster, more reliable, and more versatile than its predecessor. So, what makes 6G so special? Let's delve into its key features and advancements. Ultra-high speeds, 6G is expected to provide speeds up to 100 times faster than 5G, reaching terabits per second. This enables instant downloads, seamless streaming, and lag-free gaming. Low latency. With latency as low as 1 millisecond, 6G will enable real-time interactions, critical for applications like remote surgery and autonomous vehicles. Ubiquitous connectivity. 6G aims to provide connectivity in the most remote and inaccessible areas, connecting devices in space, under the ocean, and everywhere in between. Now, let's get technical. How does 6G work? Terahertz waves. 6G will harness terahertz frequency bands, which have much higher frequencies than 5G's millimeter waves. This enables higher data rates and more bandwidth. Artificial intelligence, AI, will play a crucial role in optimizing network resources, reducing energy consumption, and enhancing security in 6G networks. Holographic communication. 6G may introduce holographic communication, allowing for 3D holograms in real-time conversations. The possibilities with 6G seem limitless. What are some potential applications? Smart cities. 6G can power smart city infrastructure, enabling efficient traffic management, energy conservation, and real-time environmental monitoring. Telemedicine. It could revolutionize healthcare with remote surgeries, precise diagnostics, and wearable health monitoring. Virtual reality. VR experiences will become incredibly immersive, with no perceptible lag, making 6G ideal for gaming and virtual tourism. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. What challenges and concerns do we face with 6G? Security. With an increasingly interconnected world, security will be a top concern. Protecting data and privacy will be paramount. Energy consumption. The massive data rates of 6G could result in higher energy consumption, which must be addressed for sustainability. Regulation and standardization. Establishing global standards and regulations will be crucial for the seamless rollout of 6G. The big question: when can we expect to see 6G in action? While it's challenging to predict an exact timeline, experts estimate that 6G may start rolling out around the late 2028 and become widespread in the 2030s. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of 6G technology. It's an exciting journey into the future of wireless communication, promising to unlock countless new possibilities. Thank you for joining us today on CosmoTech Chronicles. If you found this video informative and exciting, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things related to tech. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to explore further, please leave a comment below. Until next time, keep exploring the cosmos of technology. Don't forget to follow me on social media for the latest tech updates and behind-the-scenes content. See you in the next episode of CosmoTech Chronicles.